hari. Para sa hari ng aksyon, heto ang hari ng komedya.
Ang minamahal at ginagalang natin lahat,
Dolphy!
Magandang gabi po. Saan ba si Rani? Harap. Matako ka pala ng turkey. Dalawa yung binanatan mo. Mga kasama sa industriya, mga kababayan, si paring Rani po ay walang tatalo dyan.
Ladies, what do you see in front of you?
Sa pakikisama, lalo na sa kanyang mga katrabaho, mapaliit, mapalaki, tsokaran yan. Ika nga eh,
Good, good.
lahat ng tao, kaibigan. Mahal ko yan. Alam niya yun.
Excellent. All is going according to plan. Time to initiate the next phase.
You! What are you doing here?
I came to watch the show. It's very entertaining.
Listen, lady. Show a little compassion. We're in grief here. We just lost our friend.
That's right, boys. Fight for your love.
Pati isang nakakulong. At nalalaman ko, mahal din nila ako. Hindi lang pamilya ko nagmamahal sa'yo, Rani. Maraming kababayan na yung nagmamahal sa'yo.
Oh, Gray. You'll never get to escape. I have you right where I want you. Excellent. All is going according to plan. Time to initiate the next phase.
What's this? Some kind of note? I'm sorry, dear. I know that we've had strong feelings for each other for quite some time. But it's all over now. I've fallen in love with someone else. Gray! We're going to run away together. Don't come after us. Signed, Pinky? Pinky! Why? How could you do this to me? We've been together for so long. I didn't even realize Wenda had feelings for me. I mean, I knew we always had a special connection and that I loved her, but she felt the same way? No, I'm not giving up on us. I'm gonna find Gray and teach him a lesson. If he's the only one between me and happiness, he's going down.
That's right, boys. Fight for your love.
Siya ang binansagang hari ng pelikulang Pilipino. Di lamang sa mga iba't ibang uri ng bayaning kanyang isinakatawan sa pelikula. Siya ang naging simbolong Pilipino na handang ipaglaban ang inaapi at masidhi ang paniniwala sa katarungan. Naiiba siya sa ibang direktor sa larangan ng action films. Nilikha ay Pilipino siyang Pilipino pagdating sa paggawa ng pelikula. Ang pintig ng puso at mingming ng kaluluwa ng pagiging Pilipino ay nasa kanya. Siya ay naging matagumpay sa pagbibigay ng kahulugan sa mitolohiya ng bayaning Pilipino. Walang pagod na tagapag-alaga sa kanyang kasamahan sa trabaho at sa kanyang mga kasamang gumaganap sa pelikula. Isang hari na napakaraming taon na walang makakatumbas. Ikinararangal ko pong ipakilala at ikinararangal ng Directors Guild of the Philippines na hirangin si Direk Ronaldo Reyes ang pangalang gamit ni Fernando Poe Jr. bilang direktor, ang natatanging Gawad Direk.
The wind's really picking up. It's freezing out here. I better take a shortcut to get back. Okay, I think it's this way, right? Or that way. Oh man, am I already lost? This isn't good.
Over here, little Sprunky.
Huh? Who's there?
We wouldn't want you to freeze now, would we? Come inside and warm up with some hot cocoa. Here you are, dear.
Ah, that's good stuff. What's in this?
Oh, a little of this and a little of that.
Whoa, it's got a real kick to it, huh? Hey, what's that?
It's my crystal ball. It shows me the future.
The future? Whoa.
Maraming salamat, paring Pidol, paring Joey. Ang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang karangalang ito ay utang ko po sa mga direktor na nagturo at nagtiwala sa akin. Tulad nila Manong Jerry De Leon, Lamberto Abellana, Mario Bari, Celsuad, Efren Reyes, Pablo Santiago, Armando Herrera Van de Leon, and most especially to the coolest director of all of them. Isang director na hindi ko nakita minsan nagalit. A genius operator, Mr. Eddie Romero. Thank you so much for believing in me. At sa inyong lahat, I don't know how to explain myself, but I will never forget this night, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Lahat ng mga pinarangalan magsasama-sama sa isang di malilimutang tribute ng mga pinakamahuhusay na direktor ng pelikula sa pagbabalik ng unang Gawad.
Download our apps for FPJ and actor Brian Level 3 fight Fernando Poe Jr. versus random enemy content.